back, lingerie lovies. So for today's video is another tiny lingerie that we are going to review. So if you're interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I bought this panty lingerie here in our area, some of the department store here in Dipolog City, and you cannot believe the price. It's just only 60 pesos, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It is only 60 pesos. That pretty and lacy panty is only 60 pesos. So this is the front detail of our panty lingerie. It has a very good and very sexy design in front, and it has a very nice detailed lace, and of course the garter is not so poor quality even though it is very affordable, and the lace also is not so thin and not so thick, and it's just kind of good material, lace material. And yeah, look at that very pretty red lacy design panty. And look at that very sexy back design. It is also a lace, and you know the design is a thong, very tiny thong design of a panty. And look at that, very nice. It's so very sexy that you can use this every day, and of course in your sexy time with your partner. So you cannot see, or you cannot say that this is so very affordable, because the look of the panty is very elegant and very nice and good quality. Thank you so much for watching. I love the panty itself. So I give this 9/10. Very affordable, and the look very elegant, and pasok na pasok sa banga sa budget natin, mga kumare. So thank you so much. Please comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe in the Kuradangerz channel, and see you in our next lingerie review. Bye.